Hello everyone. Today we will start to teach my course in Swift language. You will use some iOS 9 or iOS 10 as you like. It's not very important point because these maps work in any version, but not more from 7, I think. We'll see in the documentation in next lectures. Today I will start to introduce the points that will speak uh, in Google Maps. First, we'll start to like Hello World application that show any place you want with custom text you want, and the next you will do another application that change the map type. You can use any type of map that Google give it to you. After that, we will do custom marker, custom annotation. It's very point. If you know the empty map of Apple, the annotation in Google has a name marker. Annotation, it's equal marker. It's a very good point. After that, you will do street view, show streets and the places, and also will speak about places in general in next section. You will, after that, polylines, and after that do cameras. Cameras mean here not mention or not mean camera open cam and take a photo and things like this. Cameras here mean the update location or when I'm walking. I'm walking and take a location, and after 2 seconds take another location. This operation has a name of camera. You will see that in next lectures, and finish of the maps or map section. You will do indoors. All of this you have a lot of lecture of this. If anyone have question, you can write your question in the section of this, or contact me for any way. Okay. We need to start with two workshop and write a very cool code. And if anyone have any question, you can contact me. Thanks.